Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a very simple hairstyle for you. You know I'm all about making complicated hairstyles just like so simple, so I hope you enjoy. Postpartum shedding is no joke, but rice water is helping my edges so much. I use it every single day and it's amazing. So all you're going to need is a flexi rod, some hair, and some bobby pins. Start off by just dividing your hair or sectioning it into two sections, obviously not playing around like I am. And then all you're going to need is just to brush your edges. You can use gel if you want, but for me I didn't want to use any gel today, just wanted it nice and neat. All I'm doing is I'm just rolling it up. You can use pins as you go, but I just tend to just roll up to the top and then I use a couple of pins at the top to hold the roll. If you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Come join the family. We have fun over here, I promise. And then I just repeat it on the other side. I do tend to use gel a lot, but I think because my hair was in a stretched state, I just thought, you know what, let's just keep it simple. All you're going to do is take the flexi rod and wrap the hair around it like I'm doing. Basically it just gives it some body, because you could use your own hair to do it, but I find that using this method is just easier no matter how much hair you have. And all I'm doing is just wrapping my hair around it and then pinning. I saw this style on Instagram and I quickly thought, oh my god, I love this. It's like a retro chic type of hairstyle and I love all things updo. And it looked slightly complicated, but I thought, you know what, let's just try it and see. And yeah, I just, you know, try to explore, add my own twist to it, and here we are. All I'm doing here is I'm just bending the bendy roller, flexi rod, just so that it can give that round effect. You can leave it straight if you want, but I kind of wanted it to be a little bit curved. And all I'm doing is I'm smoothing the edges and then tucking my ends in. So this is a great protective style. My goal this year is to at least reach bra strap length, like full bra strap length, not straggly ends. Dying to reach bra strap length. So I'm trying to do everything I can, especially with this rice water challenge. It's really helping. So I might as well look after my ends. Then I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. I know you can see the extensions there, but because it blends so well with my hair, no one's really going to tell. And obviously you can make it much more neater and the curve much more prominent, but I was going for like an effortless look, so I just did what I did. And I do go ahead and hide all the bobby pins afterwards off camera. So this part is optional. I use the jam to just get rid of any flyaways, just to make it look a little bit more neater. Not that it needs it, but you know, It just makes the look come together. I would really love to see if anyone else tries this, so please like it if you do like it, and share it. Comment down below if you're going to try it, and definitely tag me on Instagram if you do try it. Thank you, and until next time, take care and God bless. Bye bye.